Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. This video covers the solution of question number 3, which is related to the assignment number 2 uh, of subject business statistics, which is subject code 1430, and it is related to the autumn 2022 of AIOU examination system. So question 3 has 3 parts, and each part has different marks. First one has 5, second one is 7, and the 8, and the third one has 8 marks. So let's start reading the question, then we will go to the solution. For a sample of 25, the slope was found to be 1.685 and the standard error of the regression coefficient was 0.11. The quantity summation x square minus n summation x bar square is equal to 225.63 or 63. Find the standard error of the regression slope coefficient. Is there reason to believe that the slope has changed from its past value of 1.5 at 0.05 level of significance? Construct a 95% confidence interval for the population slope. So let's move to the solution that I have made in Excel. So the given information I have collected here, n is equal to 25, and p is equal to 165, and this is given 225.63, and I'm going to be 63. SE standard error of estimate, which has given 0.11. So part 1 is equal to SP is equal to SE divided by square root summation x square minus n into x bar whole square. This is not minus 2. So its value is 0.077. I am going to be elaborate this. 7323. So this is our required solution, which has 5 total marks. Now part 2, is there reasons to believe that the slope has changed from its past value of 1.5 at 0.5 level of significance. It means you are entered into the test of hypothesis. Step 1 is equal to framing hypothesis. H naught is equal to b is equal to 1.5, b, and alternative hypothesis is equal to b is not equal to 1.5. This is H1. So I am going to write here H naught and H1. This is the alternative hypothesis. And the second step is to defining level of confidence is alpha is equal to 0.5, and in case of two-tail test it is 0.025, as it is two-tail test but its values remain changed plus minus 1.714. Diagrammatically it has been written as here. Look at the normal distribution, which has two tails minus 1.714 and 1.714 positive, and if this is acceptance region between the two limits, if the value lies beyond these values or beyond these values, then it means we are reject the null hypothesis. So step 4, we are going to calculate t value based on the information, which is equal to b minus p divided by sp, and b is equal to 1.65. I am going to assume that which has given in the above information in the questions, and this b has been changed here 1.5. So the value is 20.4832. Conclusion. This is the last step. So look at this. 20.48 is greater than 1.74. It means our value lies beyond this limit. It means it is not belong to the acceptance system. So we reject the H naught, and we have believed that there is a reason that will change that has changed the slope of value 1.5 to another value. So part 3 we will discuss in few minutes. So part 3 is here. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the population slope. So I am going to be taken is 1.5, which is given to us. B plus minus T is tabulated into SP 1.714 into 0.007323. So we will get these two values by subtracting 0.013 from 1.5 and by adding the same value into 1.5, 1.481 and 1.513. These are the two intervals at 95% confidence interval. So if you found any mistake regarding the calculation, please mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching us.